Mwakwaba, yada sepa wiki mone yesua de wo prostate cancer ye ba bewie fasedanoma endpoint homeopathic clinic wo yare a obehwe prostate ye ka ho asem yitwimi ka kɔ na onhwe ma free 0244867068 0244867068 mene Dr. Emmanuel Jima Amankwa owo Rage Medical Center oye general surgeon na edi enkomo we na watchi mu nyina wa ya de tie na kan ya ho de na ne de kan ya wutie you are not late tie na di so ebeboa dog na so na se ye mo akwaba o de afam juada de abepem enne boni nyina to fa na fa ye treatments and prevention
yes me that's so in the prevention no say the na ye ka no usually prevention ye hwe risk factors any e de ka ho asem some risk factors be honomo a dey yentimi ensesa yemfa ne say age and I say race we African and all of that and our genes no wontimi ensesa ho hwe but the betimi asesa ne say at least obeba for early treatment early detection and on a friend of secondary the screening so I know ba the ben say you better check umojamu for PSA level. You better also scan your prostate. Ashe say bibi sa omua. Say they say you positive na dey na ya twaso ni diagnosis. Afi so you encourage in Bema say at least avoid smoking. Yeah, exercise. Nini na abua fruits and vegetables very important. And at the na ye can say some research crutches say the more we ejaculate, having safe sexual practice, the more ejaculating, a protective prostate, from the prostate cancer. So, in the nutshell, this is how we can prevent prostate cancer. We also have to say there's cure. And another thing is say we also encourage say partners, say boyfriend, and I say kuna. Now we piano say Bra hospital na yen check it and be ma de you better na until agency and sana ya hospital enti yen take advantage of screening e course say ya onum say man to a screening or discounts PSA and a scan enti ya no take advantage of it.
You know that mama your number no so
yeah so 059 161 3081 059 161 3081.
Michelle, no chi, Badwam. Bracemo some come off for be bow down where Barnaso, Nadia FM. That's it. Dr. Emmanuel Jima Amankwa, our general surgeon, Rage Medical Center. Now what she or boy P or prostate cancer no emo. Timemeni na new watching it. No come on so tea na chassis Jordan Mua. Obohu say prostate cancer no na emo nka ye bia emo hwe before symptoms ni beda no ho adi no na say edu stage a e bia no ayedi eno no omo mpese e bedu ho enti no say afi bia no afi ukomu ko cheke ba ko a eye enti mema menyo ho achinye ba waka to so say the more we use machine no fine limit prostate cancer no it's fine but using it wisely kofa we mfa dua mfa fia mfa bana mfa we ba kono anu se we use ni we yes e bebo coin point or check here amount free 0244867068 0244867068 now scan on your way lab do which yakakra sabe obetimi abeso yasen manu so onyi yemu infections your problem pa we treating about yenko endpoint ho eso hwe a wodie mu se bia ye kama endpoint sebra no on check 0244867068 me doctor say na wo twe besimu nkwa hoden wo kwa ye be se hie nkomofoforo medidi afia Amankwa Tama